Alright guys, what's going on? So we got a bumper cover here for Mercedes we got to paint. We're going to go over how you prep that before you get ready to paint it, and then we'll get it painted. So the first thing we want to do is we want to get some wax and grease remover. Get a nice little pump spray like this. Go over everything, get it nice and soaked down. You want to make sure that you're doing all this with a microfiber. Don't use the blue shop towels that do not get all the dirt and everything out of all the sand scratches or areas. They don't take it off. Sometimes they leave lint behind. So go through, get this wiped down really good. This is just one of the first steps. You never know what kind of process they have, or if there's any pulls on it, or any fingerprints and everything from whenever you sanded it. So now this bumper, we took a red Scotch-Brite, prepped it up with that. Really good. Take your time. You ain't got to be in a hurry. Get that all cleaned up. If you want to wipe it down twice, if you don't feel you got it clean, that's even better. Doesn't hurt anything. It's better to be safe than sorry. For some reason they gave me a textured bumper instead of a smooth one, but I called the customer about it. They said they were fine with it. So that's what we're going to use. Now, get you some Bulldog adhesion promoter. Anytime I paint plastic, especially raw plastic, this is one of the first things I spray on there. Get everything to stick to it after I've scuffed it up. You ain't got to be shy with it. Get you a good coat on it. Sounds like this can's getting empty. Probably do need to get a new one. And then a little bit left right here. Alright, so I'll let that sit, flash over for, I don't know, probably 15 minutes, depending on what your temperature is, but it's a little chilly here today, so probably a good 15 minutes or so, and then we'll come back and see what everything looks like, and then hopefully get some base coat put on. Alright, so we've let this back up. Get the tack rack. We'll go over a few areas here. See a couple spots where looks like some dust has landed on it. And you know, I'm not going for super high quality paint jobs right now. I mean, yeah, you always should try to do your best on anything you're doing. That's a fact. But if you don't have a paint suit, please change into some work clothes that are clean. Like I've been doing body work. I blew off. I know there's some dust on me. There's a little bit of a bumper. They're not going to care about a little speck here and there. Now, whenever I get to some C10 stuff that I got to do, then I'll show you how I do it to try to get perfection. So we're going to get some base coat on this thing and get this out the way. am kind of still unhappy that they gave me a textured bumper, but we got our coat back on. We'll let that tag for, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. Come back, put another one on, and then we'll make it shiny. we got this done. We got our final coat of clear on. Turned out pretty good. No real issues anywhere. I like Mercedes black. It's really, really deep. Now, cleaning out your paint gun, pick you up one of these. It's easy, especially if you're using disposable cups. Just take it off. This thing just sprays out like that. You can get them from your local paint store for a few bucks. But we're gonna let this dry overnight, and then they can have it back. But I mean, that's all there is to it. Don't be intimidated. It's not a whole lot. Some people make things harder than they are. It's really not that bad. And I mean, if it doesn't turn out right the first time, just sand it down and try it again. I mean, that's all there is to it. I mean, yeah, some of these paints and stuff aren't cheap, but that's the only way you're gonna learn. I remember when I first started this stuff, I was young, was tearing up cars, you know how it goes. Couldn't keep sending them to the body shops. And one day I just started doing it, and then I started working for shops and on, and then here we are today. So you can do anything, put your mind to it. I mean, literally anything. Hey guys, appreciate you tuning in. Catch you in the next one. I got another truck that I got to go up here and get some primer on. That'll be in the next video. Peace.